Good morning to all of you. Today I will discuss binary multiplier. What is the main function of binary multiplier? It simply perform multiplication of two binary number. Suppose there are two number A and B. It will multiply these two numbers. Okay. Suppose we are implementing a combinational circuit which multiplies 2 bit by 2 bit binary multiplier. Suppose there are 2 bits of A are A1 A0 and 2 bits of B are B1 and B0, and how it performs, it will multiply A0 B0, A1 A0 B1, then A1 B0, A1 B1. Now in this case it will be the LSB of the resultant multiplier C0. Okay, now you have to add these two bit, this bit plus this bit, so it will give second bit. Now there is possibility to generate any carry. If any carry generated, it will add with A1 B1 bit. Okay, and again one carry can be generated, so result will be C3 C2 C1 and C0. And how we implemented circuit, just there are four AND terms A0 B0 A0 B1 A1 B1 A1 B0. Take 4 AND gate, it will give A0 B0. This is the final result, LSB of resultant multiplier, so it will give directly C0. Next, this bit A1 B0, this is A1 B0 and this is A0 B1. Now you have to add these two bits, so for this we will use half adder. Okay, half adder, sum will be C1. Again one carry can be generated, so this carry is added with this bit, so again one half adder is used. This is your C2 and this is C3. This is simply 2 by 2 bit binary multiplier. Now suppose you have to perform 4 by 3 bit operation. This is your 4 by 3 bit, so there are 4 bit of B0 B1 B2 and B3 and 3 bit of AR A2 A1 and A0. This is your B3 B2 B1 B0. This is A2 A1 A0. It will give A1, multiply this A0 B0 A0 B1 A0 B2 A0 B3. Now A1 B0, then A1 B1 A1 B2 A3 A1 B3, then similarly multiply by A2. So you know, if there are 4 bits of B and 3 bits of A, total 12 AND gates are used. Okay, there are 12 AND gates, 4 4 and 4. Now this B0 A0 B0, it will give directly C0 result. Now you have to add this and this, then this and this, then this and this and this and this. For this we will use parallel adder. Okay, this first two parallel adder, 4 bit parallel adder, in this B3 B2 B1 and B0 and multiply by A0. Similarly this B3 B2 B1 B0 and multiply by A1. Now you have to add these two bits. Okay, this plus this plus this. Why I am taking this plus this, why I am taking 0? Because you know, in case of 4 bit parallel adder we require 4 bit as input, so I am taking 0 here. Okay, now you have to add, just add, it will give the sum here. Then again we have to add with this A2 B3. This is A2 B3, not A3, it is A2 B3, then A2 B2, then A1 A2 B1, then A1 B0. This again we have to add with the result obtained from here. Final answer will be C0, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6. So what you need to remember, if there are j bits of multiplier and k bits of multiplicand, in this case total j into k, 4 into 3 12, so j and k AND gate will be required, and always you have to remember j minus 1, okay, j minus 1 full adder, sorry, parallel adder will be required. In this case j is 3, bits of a 3, so 3 minus 1 2, so 2 parallel adder are required. So in this way you can design any combinational circuit which perform multiplication of two number. Okay, it's all about today lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.